you been to Mutondo as a contractor?
Now the thing go to Mutondo Mbongo. Is it a government premise? He called me there, Simbarati, but I can't go there.
Your colleagues have been called?
But on Mbabu Atibongo Mbako, don't I have my brains? I know Simbarati Nchenda Mumere, the government premise. Office of the governor was a stadium. Lakini Mutondo Kiko Jokoro Clinton Umin. Balibako and Ororo, they have been there, but they come and cry. They come and talk to us. Chairman can confirm here. Ebaga and Mutondo Bairana, and the Valley, and Abakolera the most, more than the people who have gone to Mutondo. I want to tell you, my brother, in Chetindi subject ya Simbarati, Tincho Liruno secretary for praise the government and what the government, it I understand it. That is not my position. My position is, I'm a secretary general to fight for the contractors' plight. Contractors' plight. Take it and underline it.